Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical ShowerHead filter, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from ShowerHead filter, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ShowerHead filter from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Afina Filtered ShowerHead High Pressure Shower reduces dry, itchy skin. Dandruff dramatically improves condition. To transform your shower experience with the Afina Filtered ShowerHead. Designed to provide enhanced water pressure while filtering out chlorine, minerals, and other impurities, this showerhead helps soothe dry, itchy skin and promote healthier hair. Ideal for those suffering from dandruff or dryness, the Afina showerhead improves your skin's condition and gives your hair a refreshed, healthy look. Its advanced filtration technology eliminates harsh chemicals, reducing common skin issues and enhancing overall skin and hair health. With easy installation and a universal fit, this shower head is hassle-free to set up and compatible with standard US shower fittings. Plus, filter replacements are quick and convenient, ensuring a consistently great shower experience. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and a lifetime warranty, the Afina filtered shower head promises a luxurious, healthy, and rejuvenating shower every time. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to smoother skin and shinier hair today. Number 2. AquaHomeGroup Luxury Filtered Shower Headset 20 Plus 3-Stage Shower Filter for Hard Water Removes. Upgrade your shower experience with the AquaHomeGroup Luxury Filtered Shower Headset. Designed to remove chlorine and harmful substances, this set features a 20 Plus 3-stage filter that effectively softens hard water, turning your shower into a spa-like experience. The high-scent shower head ensures a powerful and refreshing shower every time, while the sleek chrome finish complements any bathroom decor. With easy installation and a wall-mount design, you can enjoy pure, clean water without hassle. The 20-stage filter not only purifies the water but also enriches it with essential minerals, promoting healthier skin, hair, and nails. Say goodbye to itchy, dry skin and hello to a comfortable, odor-free shower. Perfect for areas with hard water or well water, the AquaHomeGroup shower system offers powerful protection and filtration for the whole family. Enjoy soft, clean water in every shower and take advantage of the 6-month filter lifespan for continuous purification. Number 3. Original StoneStream EcoPower High-Pressure Handheld Shower Head Plus Shower Filter. Experience the ultimate shower upgrade with the original StoneStream EcoPower High-Pressure Handheld Shower Head, featuring an innovative 6-in-1 shower head kit. This versatile shower system includes 3 distinct spray functions: rainfall, massage, and jetting, so you can customize your shower experience. The EcoStop button maintains water temperature without needing to adjust the water valve, saving water while enhancing comfort. Designed to save up to 35% water consumption, the EcoPower shower head uses advanced ionic technology and 250 laser-cut spray holes to boost water pressure by up to 200%. Plus, the special blend of mineral beads softens hard water, restoring your hair and skin's pH balance for a cleaner, softer, and more purified shower. Installation is quick and easy as it connects to any standard hose. Enjoy a luxurious, high-pressure shower with improved water quality and eco-friendly features, backed by a full year of warranty and professional customer support. Number 4. The JOLIE Filtered Shower Head with Shower Water Filter System. High-pressure shower head. Transform your shower experience with the JOLIE Filtered Shower Head from JOLIE Skin Company. This high-pressure shower head is clinically proven to reduce hair shedding, making it the only filter on the market with results backed by over 150 top publications and more than 2.5 lakh satisfied customers. Say goodbye to dry, irritated skin and experience the power of clean water with JOLIE's advanced filtration system. Using a blend of KDF 55 and calcium sulfite, it provides superior filtration, exceeding NSF 177 standards for water quality that feels like it came from a natural spring. Over 80% of users report reduced hair shedding, with 46% less hair loss on average and 60% finding their hair more manageable and longer. The JOLIE filter is easy to install in just 3 steps and takes less than 20 seconds to replace. Enjoy the benefits of softer, healthier hair and skin every day for just $0.37 per day. Your beauty routine will never be the same. Number 5. Aquasana Shower Filter. Dermatologist-recommended for softer, healthier skin and hair. Transform your shower into a rejuvenating experience with the Aquasana Shower Filter. Dermatologist-recommended for healthier skin and hair. Designed to reduce damaging chlorine, this filter helps prevent dandruff, hair loss, and dry skin, leaving you with softer skin and shinier, more manageable hair. Trusted by experts and featured in top publications like Women's Health, Allure, and Elle, the Aquasana Shower Filter provides proven results by reducing 90% plus of chlorine with its eco-friendly NSF 177 certified filter. The innovative coconut shell carbon and copper zinc media provides superior filtration that hydrates the skin and improves hair texture, color retention, and overall health. With a long-lasting filter that lasts up to 6 months or 10,000 gallons of water, the Aquasana filter is both cost-effective and easy to install. In just 4 simple steps, you'll enjoy purified water for as little as 25 cents per day, giving you a spa-like shower every time. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.